you were shooting with a Canon 5D Mark II. A very dark Latino child from Oaxaca was running around with a yellow stick beating a piñata in the shape of Dick Cheney in San Antonio, Texas, with the Alamo in the background around 4:20 p.m. Would you use a filter, and if so, what kind?
First of all, I would have to definitely be high for this, because it's like 4:20 p.m. and like I love weed and stuff, so like I would be high first of all, and then so I would probably just like pick up the camera and then I don't know, just kind of mess around with it, and then, you know, maybe have a little kid run around, and then
the question
is,
dude, what kind of filter would you use?
I would probably use the Instagram one, like the one they have on Instagram. It looks like really cool and like indie, and I love that stuff, you know, because like indie culture is like something that I think I'm part of.
Yeah, indie can go fuck itself.
No, like,
we're trying to make money here, dude. This isn't about art.
Oh, right. So I mean, so how to make money? I would take the kid and then sell him to the drug cartel, probably, because I could probably make us like $2 grand. He'd probably work as like a mule for the rest of his life.
That's not bad, actually. I mean, because we'd have to like get like 1 million views to get about that much.
Yeah.